Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 20. I'm just getting ready for work right now. I did my hair and makeup. My hair actually turned out really good, so hopefully it stays. And I did my makeup, but I'm just wearing a sweatshirt and you can't really tell, jeans, because I'm going to babysit for 2.5 hours, and then I'm going to come home and I'm going to touch up my makeup, probably my hair, and get ready. And Dylan and I are going to go on a little Christmas date. Because I won't be here for Christmas, we decided we're gonna celebrate Christmas today or tonight. So we're gonna exchange gifts and go to dinner, and I think go see some Christmas lights. They do this Christmas light show, like 20 minutes away, half-hour away. So we're gonna drive over there and do that. And yeah, that's our plan for the day. I've been so excited for today, but I'm also really sad because tomorrow is my last day with Dylan before I leave, and he won't, well, today is kind of my last day because he has to work all day tomorrow. So yeah, I'm excited for after work. It's 11:10. It just turned 11:10. That was weird. And I have to leave in like an hour, so I'm just gonna go hang out with him for a little bit and then pack my lunch and go to work. And then I will probably see you guys when I get back. Let's go. From one present early so we can wear it. Well, it wasn't really one of your presents. I was gonna return it, but it looks cute. I like it, babe.
I do too.
Good. The belt's too big, but we'll get a different one. You're cute. Can't see us. It looks so cute. Christmas tree? It's Christmas, Callie. She's like, no, it's not. And Christmas.
Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas?
I said Merry
Oh, I
Christmas.
thought you said Happy Christmas. I was like,
Happy Christmas is the old
Happy
English
Christmas.
way of saying it. They used to say Happy Christmas.
It's so big. What is it? Is it a dog? No. This is huge. I was contemplating, there was a box downstairs. I was contemplating taking her with
The box.
just filling it with packing peanuts. Is it a gaming chair?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh. Oh my. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god.
You get to put it together!
This is awesome. Thank you so much, babe.
You're welcome.
This is awesome.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers. Right here.
I'm awful.